Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about finance. The topic, we need to find the value of the cash flows. So now I will show you how to answer. The first thing, we need to find about depreciation expense. To calculate about this one, we need to use about the cost of the machine. We minus about the book value over useful life. That is about how many years they can operate the machine. So we know that the cost of the machine that is about 12 million US dollars. The book value in this one that is about 0 because then we remove for no cost. And the time that is about 12. So this one we got 1 million per year. So I will show you the table how to calculate operating cash flows. The first thing, we need to find the revenue. The revenue of this machine that is about 4.16 million. The cost of this one that is this value in here. Then we need to minus about depreciation. So we can find about net income before tax. So we calculate this one first. And we have 2,627,125. So we have tax expense. To calculate about tax expense, we need to use this value in here, multiply by 20% of marginal tax rate. And this one we have 525,425. And now we have net income after tax. So we use this one minus this one. And that is about 2,101,700. So after we got this one, we need to add back depreciation, because depreciation that is about non-cash. So that's why we need to add back this value called here. And we have operating cash flow. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.